Gardening with kids is such fun! What's more, it gets them outdoors, helps instill a love of nature, and provides some hands-on educational lessons too. When choosing plants for a kid's garden, favor those that are fast-growing and low maintenance. Plants that engage the senses or attract butterflies and hummingbirds are also a plus. Here are some suggestions. Vines like watermelon, pumpkins, and gourds grow quickly and crowd out weeds. Kids enjoy searching for the blossoms and watching them develop. The best part, of course, is savoring a sweet homegrown watermelon, carving a pumpkin you grew yourself, or making a gourd birdhouse. Root vegetables like radishes and carrots make excellent easy care choices. Radishes germinate quickly and can be harvested in just a few weeks. Carrots come in all sizes and colors. Lettuce makes eating healthy salads fun. Loose leaf lettuce can be harvested as needed throughout the growing season. A mesclun mix grows even faster and is ready to harvest in about a month. Bush beans can be yellow, purple, or green and are easy for kids to harvest. They'll have fun searching through the leaves for the beans ready to be picked. Flowers will round out your gardening choices. Among the quickest and easiest to grow from seed are marigolds, zinnias, and sunflowers. They all attract pollinators and make excellent bouquets. Finally, protect your child's garden with #1 rated Bobex deer and small animal repellents. For edible plants, spray around the perimeter of the garden, not on the plants themselves. Non-edibles should be sprayed directly. Bobex dries fast and is completely safe for children and pets. Happy gardening! For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.